run. Come on, DMR. I'll show you where to go. Come on. Come on, dude. Up here. Get up here. And you with your scope, yeah, flank around. You should be able to see him. No, we're good. We're good. Get up there. We got teammates up there. Yeah. Raul's up there on that building. I hear him shooting though. Come here. Come here. See that tree? They're gonna be coming from behind that tree, okay? You see him? Yeah. I see him through the tree. Here they come. He's behind that tree. Behind that tree.
I see the tree.
He's behind it. He's hit. He's hit. Alright. Just come back over here. Watch that right side. Can you watch that for me? I'm going up and to the left. Keep watching that. Hey! Where is he? You got eyes on? There we go. Now my shit's shooting straight. How that guy is not out, I have no idea. Reloading, and I'm entering. Entering. Let's go. I got left. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pushing.
My bad.
You're all good.
Hit!
My phone, boys.
Got my phone.
Got your thumb. He shot me 3 times.
I don't even think he hit me, but I called it.
He's shooting 3 at once.
No, he shot me right here, and right here.
Yeah, he didn't even hit me, but I shot him in the leg, but I went and told him because I didn't know if he hit my bed.
Hey, it was a good try. We'll get him again.
I got that LMG.
Did you?
Shit, man. I just sat in the woods, waiting for him to bring me up. He told me to stop like that.
Hey, let's do it again. Hey, let's do it again. This time, I'm planking outside the building. I'm gonna go in from that left door.
The left door?
Mm-hmm.
Follow you on that? You want me and,
That way I catch that dude while he's sitting there.
take the front door?
Yeah.
Change my battery. Oh, no.
You good?
Yeah.
Left a smiley face on you.
I know.
Damn, they get us all?
How do you know how big this map is? Because I didn't even realize they could go to that side of the
Yeah, you can.
Alright, well that's all I need to know.
Hey, that's our whole team right there.
Let's wait till all of them come back and we move together as a whole fucking team.
Hey, push it up to the building. Shoot them. Alright, so we know they're in there. Excuse me. Sorry. Hey, Jenton, get over here with your scope. On this side of this building, there's a doorway. They'll peek out of it. Right where that guy is standing. You see that doorway? To the left, right where that guy's standing. Don't peek out of that, okay? You can get in here. He's peeking, peeking. I got you. I got you on the cover. You can peek it now. There you go. Cover me. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm going more left. Hit! Hey, I got you, shotgun dude. Is there a guy over there? On the left side? Two down, two down.
I think we got green moving from the right end.
I'm gonna go left side of the building. Nice.
This thing is way too fun. Well, you're not shooting anybody. How old are you?
24.
Okay, you're good.
Hey, it's clear down center. I got you. Other way, other way. Hey, you got this? You guys got this? I'm coming out. It's clear inside there, Green. Boy, you almost got it.
I was waving my flag.
Nice. Nice fucking job, Jenton. Having fun yet?
What?
Said, are you having fun yet?
No.
No?
My CO2 max blew up in my face.
What?
And
That's not good.
Traded for this thing yesterday too.
Really?
Yeah. Blew up on me. Finger hurts now.
Jenton's up there bodying people, bro.
Where are you?
Jenton.
Oh, dude, I know you.
We do? I'm gonna go left here. It seems, yeah.